And of course, on the NASDAQ, we are also close to resistance here. This is the NQ, but if we look on the QQQ, we're very close to 620. So 617, 618, all of this is not really the best opportunity to go long. Yes, I understand we are well above major levels of resistance. Things look really, really good, but in general, it's too, there's such a good opportunity to get a bit of a pullback that we can easily see a strong move lower back to 612, 613 on the QQQ. And if it doesn't happen, it is what it is. This, losses on trades occur. It is what it is. But I just can't stomach going long up here as a brand new trade. Say, for example, we were not long, right? So this is basically my thought process. We entered long down here into weakness. Spectacular. What's happening now is I'm looking at the market and I'm saying, okay, if we didn't enter down here, do I want to enter up here? Absolutely not. So this, yes, there is a bit more room higher, but if we do end up really rallying, we're obviously going to sell the puts, sell the shorts. But this is getting really nice and close to a tiny little short opportunity. Maybe we got in a bit early. It is what it is. But up here around 624 to 625, this is solid opportunity to short. And regardless, this is also just in general, just where we are, the dynamic of the market, how bullish people are now, how tunnel vision people are on this bounce. It's kind of telling me that we are maybe a day or two away from a small pullback, and regardless if we do get the pullback, it's going to be a good buying opportunity. I can't go long here because there's no way, in my opinion, that we just continue to rise without getting any major follow through a bit to the downside where we have a buying opportunity where late bulls can enter as well, because that's another thing. For a move to the upside to occur, late bulls need to be rewarded. So late bulls can be rewarded on a pullback. So it makes sense. Let's see what ends up happening. Overall, it's tough to be extremely bearish on this market. Clear as day, lots of strength overall. We're going to take a look at the large tech stocks as well. I don't want everyone to just automatically think, okay, this is going to get a bit of a pullback. Or, oh, this is a bearish move now, time to stop being bullish. It's not what I'm saying. The market is clearly bullish. But in the next coming days, generally, it would be great for everybody if we did get a bit of a pullback. So now that's my thought process for the S&P and the NASDAQ as well as the VIX.